This is our boat. She is an Elizabethan 31 from 1970, built in England. She is 31 feet long and about 9 feet wide, and she weighs a bit over 5 tons. Before our holiday, we needed to do some repairs for the leaky board lights. The old silicone sealant had to be removed and replaced with butyl tape. As I was replacing the sealant, I noticed that the trims were also in bad shape, so I made brand new ones and painted them white. One rainy day, I also saw that the forward cabin hatch was leaking, so same treatment for that too. Take off the old sealant and replace it with butyl tape. I also fixed a few other things, but after that we were ready to go sailing again. First stop was the island called Vallisaari, the embankment island. Island had been home and workplace for hundreds of people and place of military service. Now there is a little harbor for visiting with your own boat, or you can take a water bus which takes you about 20 minutes from city of Helsinki.
Okay, we started our sailing holiday. First stop was yesterday, an hour sail to Vallisaari, and now we are waiting to go see the bridge in there. It opens half an hour. Now we need to wait about 10 minutes. Open up so we can continue. Not much of wind, so we motored today, like yesterday. We have about 30 miles today, so about 6 hours with 5 knots speed. We got wing on wing, but we only have like 1.8 to sometimes, so easy sailing. The west sky looks more darker. The wind is coming from there. Gonna be about 15 to 18 meters per second wind in the forecast in 2 days from now.
In the evening, we arrived to our next harbor, in the island of Belinky. The place is called Benita's Cafe. After a few nights in Belinky, we continue our trip towards the east.
Okay, so today came from Belinky to Svartholm. It's like a fortress island. It's quite windy. We have only the Genoa out. We're doing about 6 knots. You can see here I have some white caps. And gonna stay one night in here, and tomorrow continue Vallisaari in Pyhtää. Okay, so we are right here in Pyhtää, Vallisaari. About 20 miles today, and the wind was 10 to 15 meters per second, so quite a lot of wind today. Only have the Genoa out, quite enough, do about max 7 knots, so and downwind sail, so pretty okay. And it's a nice island. Just have some pizza at the restaurant, and then we're walking to a cafe. It's eastern side of the island, so it's now blowing from the west side, so I think it's gonna be much more calm in there. Okay, so we're back from Mustikkamaa cafe, so blueberry cafe. This is the old museum. Here we are in Kotka. Been here now a couple days, and today we're heading back towards west. The weather is nice. It's been blowing 10 to 15 meters per second. Now it's easing up, and it's not more raining. And well, it's looking great. So today we continue.